So what took you 30 years is now taking you 5 years. So now what are a couple of the things that you learned before that you were able to apply to refloor?
Pull some different quotes from different people. Number one, a loser is a loser. And I don't mean that in a bad way. And it sounds meaner than what it is. If somebody is going to act like a loser in your organization, you're not going to fix it. And, well, we care about them. You owe it to your people to get the people that are bringing the company down out, because they can't grow if you have that loser on your team.
Interesting.
And that came from Glenn Ross. A loser is a loser. I don't really mean it that way, but if they're not committed in living your business alongside of you, you're not winning. And if you're not winning, you're losing. And if you can isolate the people that are bringing you down, the sooner you get that person off of your team, the better off you are. And, it's where it is hire the right people. Okay. Or get rid of the people that are slowing the company down. Second thing, there are great people that can't do the job. So they could be the best people in the world, kind and warm and caring. But if they're not putting the numbers up that you need done, you need to break up with that person and promote them to customer. And by promoting them to customer, you're doing them a favor and the rest of your team a favor. So that's the promote to customer. Third is if you're hiring somebody based on their experience, that's not enough. Hire the people based on their attitude. There's not that much you can't teach people, but an attitude you have for your whole life. So how many people had a bad attitude that you work with that magically went to a good attitude, Brian, in your past? Very few. Very, very few. Who you are is who you are. So if you want to build a winning team, hire great people with great personalities. Does that mean they have to be outgoing and driven like me? No, but they have to be good souls. They have to be kind people. They have to be people that want, that share your vision. And those are the things that we think about every single day. We really do hire to our core values. And by the way, we get fooled oftentimes.
Yeah, it happens. But the nice thing is they don't last.
They don't last.
What did you say to Megan? You said, hire fast, fire faster. What was that?
Yep. Hire fast. Okay. Fire faster.
Fire faster. She uses that all the time.
Yeah, because if you spend all this time, I've been interviewing, looking for the right person. And, I have one scheduled today. I got one for tomorrow. No, schedule 8 today, 7 tomorrow. Okay. Speed it up because you don't have time to play fill in the spot, because if there's a hole in your organization, that means you have a leak. And if you have a leak and you don't plug that leak, it causes so many other problems inside.